Hello, creative gems. Welcome to Creativity. Today I'm going to show you how to make a glam lantern and a glam table lamp by upcycling dollar store products. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of the materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree unless otherwise stated. For our first project today, we will be making a lantern. For that, we will need a medium-sized wired pencil holder, an LED hanging lamp, and some chrome trimming, which I found on Amazon. For embellishments, we will need some silver beaded necklace, and if you want to amp up the glam factor, we can also add some clear, loose, flat back gems to the embellishments. The gems that I have are from Hobby Lobby. As per most of my craft projects, we will also need some hot glue. My glue gun is from Amazon. For our lantern, we will start by applying some hot glue to the rim of the LED hanging lamp and then adhering it to the opening of the pencil holder. Then we take the silver beaded necklace and start covering the top of the LED lamp with it until the entire gray surface area is covered. Once done, take some clear flat back gems and place them on top in whatever design you prefer. For my lantern, I have chosen some large round gems and have decided to place them to form a circle. Next, we use some hot glue to line the outer top rim of the pencil holder with the chrome trimming. And there you have it. Our Glam lantern is finished. It is so lightweight that you can conveniently carry it around from room to room. For our second craft project today, we will be making a table lamp. For this, we will need another LED hanging lamp, a ceramic candle holder, which can be of any color since we can paint it, and a tall plastic takeout container, which I had cleaned and saved from a previous takeout order. For embellishments, you can use whatever jewel stickers or rhinestone mesh ribbon you have on hand. I'll be using some rhinestone mesh I found on Amazon. We'll also need some silver beaded necklace, some silver metallic paint, and some silver glitter. To start, we will paint the ceramic candle holder with a custom blend of silver metallic paint and glitter. Since the one I'm using is black, it will take about 3 generous coats of paint to completely cover the original color. While the paint dries, we can start embellishing the plastic takeout container. For mine, I have chosen to use some hot glue to line the lower portion of the container with 2 rows of rhinestone ribbon mesh. Next, we use some hot glue to adhere the bottom of the container to the top of the candle holder. Then, I take a string of silver beaded necklace and line the outer bottom rim of the container where the container and the candle holder meet. Next, we apply some hot glue to the rim of the LED hanging lamp and then adhere it to the opening of the takeout container. As a final step, use some hot glue and adhere another string of silver beaded necklace around the outer top rim of the container. And there you have it, our table lamp is finished. This can be placed on a bedside table and can be conveniently turned on and off using the little switch on the top of the lamp. Leave a comment down below and let me know whether you prefer the lantern or the table lamp and how you would use either one of them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.